All right, boys, listen up. It gets to a certain extent in this AIOFM niche where every single video you watch turns into this giant mural board full of information, just a bunch of shit that you're not actually going to sit and read. And you don't want to sit there and go through the entire sales video and then get to the end where you don't actually see anything productive and they don't show you any new tricks, but they just kind of regurgitate a bunch of information. And I'll tell you this, because this whole thing, this whole niche is very, very simple. It's rather easy, okay? At some point, after a certain amount of videos have been made, there isn't really much else to teach. But something I've noticed from just scrolling on YouTube and seeing these videos is they're all the same. Now for me, the way I've been doing it till now is I literally just pull up my camera and I act to it. I just tell you guys what to do, and hopefully you guys have brain cells and are smart enough to actually take action on the information I give you. But from something that I've noticed, a lot of you aren't able to do that. So today, I'm literally just gonna show you how to be creative with your fucking reels, because you guys have no idea how to do it. You guys are still generating reels with Kling, just regular Kling, just make her swing her hips from left to right on fucking, I don't know, Kling, Picasso, wherever the fuck you generate that shit from. And it's never gonna be full quality. It's not gonna be the viral dancing reels that the other OF girls will be doing. You're not gonna pull in the same views. You need to be creative with it, okay? So something that's been going super viral as of late is the look-smaxing bullshit. These look-smaxers are going super crazy, all right? Now, there are a bunch of guys that do the same thing, just with AI men, AI dudes. But where do we come in? We're not selling AI dude shit. We're selling AI girl shit. So how do we capitalize on this? Let me show you guys a quick little model that I've made, and I start capitalizing on her shit. And maybe this would inspire you to actually do better and be more creative with your shit, all right? So let's have a look at some of my reels. I haven't even posted all of these yet. So this is generally a sneak peek to what's about to come. I've posted maybe 2 out of these 5 or 6. 2 out of these 6. So let's have a look together and see what this is. Yep, this is exactly what it is.
You kinda look fake. I don't believe there's someone this pretty.
Yeah! Oh my god!
Now, I bet a bunch of you are asking, why would I make that? That's not even provocative. That's not even showing body. That's not showing skin. That's not doing anything. This is what works. If you post the bullshit Kling fucking videos that you be making, the shit that she's just moving left to right, looks super AI, you're not going to get a lot of views. Yes, you can make some money with it. Yes, you can do that enough times, get 500 views enough times to actually get the 1,000 followers and make a few bucks on FanView. But most of the time, you're not gonna see exponential results, okay? That's not how that shit works. There are multiple ways to go about it. You can do the viral dance videos and you can do this. I'm just showing you this for example, right? If we were to go and look through the viral videos that I got, let's look at one of my AI models right here. Okay, so we're gonna go, boom, let's see, we have Safe for Work, Reels, and let's just click on some bullshit.
I don't even know what she said, cause she formed. It's formed. And she got it done. Like,
we have shit like this. Now, if you have shit like this is stuff that is actually going to go viral. But I highly doubt that any of you make this shit or shit of this quality. Now, if you want to learn how to properly do this, I couldn't properly fit this into a short video because I'm going to make this video short today. I'm not going to make it a 20-minute video of me sitting here and just walking through everything. I will post a fully in-depth video soon. That is coming. Yes, 1 hour, maybe even an hour and a half video. It will happen. You will see it on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm just showing you guys, these are the reels that you want to be posting. You need to be creative. Looks maxing is going crazy right now. So what I did is I just took a model, an AI girl, and made her a looks maxing model. So now I can post these reels at mass in bulk with a bunch of these reactions, get all these views, forward them to my main page, boom, fan view, easy. That's how you get them to click on your link. All you need is attention. All you need is to funnel the views. Funnel the views and you will get the attention. All right, that's just what it is. How are you getting those views though? What are you doing to get those views? Are you just posting carousel posts? Are you just posting AI looking regular pictures? Are you just posting Kling generated AI videos of her just walking, looking super AI with a shitty sound on it? Are you still doing the fucking 2024 methods? Is that what you're doing? So if that's you, obviously you're not gonna make any money. But if this is you, I'm just showing you for the inspiration, this is what you should be doing. If this is you, then yes, you're gonna make a bunch of money. Now, to end this off, I'm actually going to go on my reels again, and we're just gonna show you maybe 2 more reels, all right? 2 more reels, just so you guys can have an idea of what's good here. That's an example for an actual good dancing video on your AI model. And I bet money your shit don't look like this. This is how you should be structuring your content. This is what your content should actually look like. You should have it organized on your fucking computer. You should have everything ready to post on your phone bi-weekly. You have to take one day out the week and just schedule your shit. Do this shit properly, and trust me, the money will come in, all right? Now, if you want to learn how to properly do this shit, stick around, you'll see the long tutorial. I'll try and shove in as much information as I possibly can in there. But if you guys want my assistance, you guys want my methods, you want to see how I do everything, then click the link down below and you will gain access to everything. You can join the Telegram, but mostly I'd say join the community and you will see everything you need to know. All right? Anyway, next video.